All right. Okay. So we were stuck in this range for a little bit, for a few days. Finally, yesterday broke out. Remember, I was talking about this weekly pivot. We spent a little time there in the morning. Then we finally broke, retested it, and then tested again that, and then went through this range, testing that resistance area at the 60 area, and then pull back to close back right at the right around this 77.32 area where we have the weekly pivot, the monthly VWAP. But now we're holding this. So this is the key area for me because many reasons, right? One is that we have the weekly pivot, then we have the monthly VWAP, then we have the high from the range. So we want to watch it to see if it holds, and we're opening outside yesterday's value. So if we get back inside yesterday's value, then that will be a different story. Then I'll be watching to see if we can sweep through value and retest this, the bottom side of value. It could be that we test value area low and then reject this lower levels and then come back above it. But watching yesterday's range, yesterday's value. 60, I'm gonna be watching for sellers, and if we break above it and hold above 60, target the balance target from yesterday from that bullish imbalance is 77.80. So I'm gonna be watching for a return to this area where we have the high volume node and 77.80 as my last target to the upside. So that's pretty simple for today. And Q, similar structure as far as the overnight high being very close to that high from yesterday, breaking above it, then we are looking to target that 90-day point of control at 750, and then above that, let's see, where are we? Above that, we have this little gap here, and then we have this high volume node at 29,870, and then we have some resistance around the 30,000 area. Gold, pulled back to that support. Look at how nice that bounce was in that area, and now it's attempting to probably sweep through this range again, as long as this holds. If we lose this 4,600, then we're probably gonna get back to that 45.50 area. Gold is probably gonna have some moves today because we have Jackson Hole, which started last night, I think. So when we have some Fed speaking, if the market hears something that they like or that they don't like, gold is gonna be one of the things that is traded, given the fact that inflation talks affect gold. So watch that for today. And crude still accepting on that high volume node at 82.35-ish. This area, we broke above it, that resistance area, and then held below it. So we should see a move back to the 80s, I think. Anyway, keeping it short today. Good luck, and remember it's Friday today. And so take it easy.